In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Exness trading app on your Android smartphone. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app on your Android smartphone, tap on it to open. From here, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account, and then you should see a search bar here. However, if this search bar is not available, then you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it to activate the search bar on top, then search for your app. So I'll search for mine and then tap on search icon here. As you can see, we have Exness Trade online trading app here. Make sure it is from Exness Global Limited. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.6, as you can see here, with over 216,000 reviews. Currently, the app has over 10 million downloads, and I know by the time you are watching this might have changed. So if you see these details, then you will know that you have the right app. To install it, tap on install here, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Exness Trade app and then install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, you can proceed and tap on open from here, or if you go back, if you open your apps, you should see your app is here. Go ahead and tap on it to launch it. So that's how you can install the right Exness trading app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.